स्टूडेंट टाइप स्मार्ट काम करो, सब्सक्राइब के साथ साथ बेल आइकन भी दबाओ।
Hello guys, welcome to Manwar. Today in this video we will talk all about Maharashtra MCA CET 2020-21. So we'll discuss the important points about it, like as the eligibility criteria, paper pattern, important dates, courses, the campuses, that is nothing but the institutes, the seat availability and the selection process. So stay tuned with me, here we go. So here guys, we are on our portal, that is nothing but the manwaedu.com. So today in our website tour, I will give the complete information about the Maharashtra MCA CET. Now here you will see some highlighters like home, courses, blog, careers, about, demo, result and contact. So here you have to come on courses. Here you will see all the list. Here it is MCA entrance. Here the page opens. Here you will see the 4 windows such as overview, that is nothing but the information all about the particular exam, the top institutions, the best institute or best colleges which accept the Maharashtra MCA CET scores, syllabus for entrance exam, and the 4th one is video section where you will see the videos about the topics covered by the Manwar. So let's come to the overview section first. It is all about the entrance exam. You have to scroll down. You will get everything about the exam details. So Maharashtra MCA CET, it is nothing but the Maharashtra Common Entrance Test for MCA, that is for Master of Computer Application. The Maharashtra Common Entrance Test for MCA is a state level entrance exam conducted by the CET cell, which is established by the government of Maharashtra. The full term is State Common Entrance Test Cell, that is your CET cell. It is a gateway to pursue the post-graduation program in computer application offered through the various institutes or colleges across the state. So guys, let's talk about the eligibility criteria. Here you should have bachelor's degree or an equivalent qualification. With minimum you have to score 50% marks in aggregate. That means for open category, the 45% marks for the scheduled caste, scheduled tribes and the PWD category. So guys, here is the most important point, that the candidate should have studied mathematics as one of the subject at 10+2 level or at graduation level. So guys, to enter into the MCA program, आपका mathematics as a subject compulsory होना चाहिए, either in 10+2 level or graduate level. The next point is candidate in their final year of qualifying examination are also eligible. The next point is the direct second year admission, that is nothing but the lateral entry. Now here you should have the bachelor degree in computer application or bachelor of science degree in information technology or in computer science. Then only you can give this exam and you will be promoted directly to the second year of MCA program. Now the age criteria says there is no upper age limit. Let's talk about the exam details. The exam month tentative is March month. The exam mode is completely computer based, that means online. All the question will be multiple choice questions. The number of questions are 100. The duration of time 90 minutes. The marking system, for each correct answer you will get +2 marks and for the incorrect answer you will get -0.5 marks. So guys, let's talk about the paper pattern. Here you will get 4 sections such as mathematics and statistics. Here the number of question will be 30. Logical and abstract reasoning, it also include 30 questions. English comprehension and the verbal ability comprises of 20 questions, and the computer concepts, which includes 20 questions. So the total number of question will be 100 and your marks will be 200. So guys, come to the main point, the cutoff trend. Regarding the cutoff, बहुत से candidates को doubts होता है, queries होती है कि cutoff क्या होगा. So guys, here are some factors which affects the cutoff score, such as the difficulty level of exam, the number of candidates appearing for the examination, the seat availability at the participating institutes, and the performance of candidates in the entrance exam. So guys, if you want to enter into the institutes like VJTI, Veer Mata Jijabai Technology Institute, or BVB SPIT, that means the Bharati Vidya Bhavan Sardar Patel Institute of Technology, then you have to score 135 plus marks. And for this score you have to prepare more. And if question comes how to prepare, then don't worry, Manwar is with you. So guys, let's talk about the selection process. So after your entrance exam, the CET cell organizes the selection process, that is nothing but the counseling through the centralized allotment process. There are 3 rounds in the CAP. First 2 are online based, while the third one is offline based. So guys, here are the some process of CAP round. Now in the first step, you have to visit the official website of the CET cell and you have to register there and you have to pay the counseling fees. The step number 2, that is choice of filling and locking. Now here you can choose your college preferences and you have to lock them. So guys, your college preferences should be on priority based. In the step number 3, the authority will release the seat allotment in online mode. Now here you have to check the seat allotment online by logging your account. You have to pay the seat allotment fees. Now after that you have to report online to ARC, that is nothing but the admission reporting center, and after that at the allotted institute with documents and the semester fees. So guys, here I mentioned the official link of the CET cell. On that you will get the further or latest information. So guys, let's talk about the top institutions. So scroll up. So guys, here are the top institutes for the MCA program, and take a print of these colleges in your mind. You have to prepare such a way that you should get these colleges. So first one is Bharati Vidya Bhavans Sardar Patel Institute of Technology, Mumbai. It has the seat intake of 60. To get this college you have to score 135 plus marks. So next one is Veer Mata Jizabai Technological Institute, Mumbai. It also has 60 number of seats. The next one is KJ Somya Institute of Management Studies and Research, 60 number of seats. The fourth one, which is located at Thane, Audyogik Shikshan Mandals Institute of Management and Computer Studies. And to get this college you have to score 95 to 100 plus marks, guys. Now here you will get the 120 number of seats. The next one is the Government College of Engineering, Aurangabad. It also has the 60 number of seats, and to get this college you have to score around 120 plus. So guys, these are the best colleges where you can pursue your MCA program. So guys, let's talk about the syllabus. For MCA studies, here your mathematics and statistics will be based on the 12th standard. Logical and abstract reasoning, English comprehension and verbal ability, and for the computer concepts, they all basic about the computer. So these all are the topics for each section. So guys, let's move on the fourth window. So here are the videos on some topics which shows the manual's process of teaching, through which you can grasp and memorize forever. So guys, if you want to see the demo videos, you can click here. If you wanna evaluate yourself, then you will get the mock test on this section. And to guys join our online class, you can click here. So guys, this is all from the today's video. If you have any doubts and queries, you can ask me here. So guys, this is all from the today's video. I hope you get all the information regarding all the topics. So guys, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that you will get all the updates regarding the Maharashtra MCA CET. So guys, to crack MCA CET, join our online program where you will get books, mock tests, sectional, full course. You can also attend our live lectures. So visit on manoedu.com, and for online program you can call us on 8828581455. If you are Mumbai based, you can join our classroom sessions at Borivali, Dadar and Vasai. So guys, thank you very much. All the best for your career. Stay home, stay safe. See you in the next video.